guys, and today it's me, Monita, and today I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube. It's gonna be so fun to solve, and I solved it before, and today I can say 4 or 3 times or 5 times today, and yesterday I solved it 8 times, so yeah, 7 times. So today I'm gonna solve it. And this is a 2x2 Rubik's Cube that's very, very easy. And you just need four formulas. And yeah, now I'm going to start. So first I just solved it already before I started this video. And yeah. And today, I'm going to solve this. So I'm going to mix this up real quick, if you can wait. And matches. Please. Okay. Oh. No. 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 Oh, okay. Oh, no. Okay, perhaps yes. So here we go. There's some mixed up Rubiks here. You see here, there's a white over there. So what I'm gonna do is where you got that, you're gonna spin that there. We're just gonna do that until you get enough. Now as you see here, you're gonna choose one side. I just chose the bottom side, and you're gonna find the other white. And if it comes like this, that means it's not gonna work. So you're gonna put that back again, leave that there, and you're gonna take that. I'm gonna do some stuff here. Oh, I solved the green side. So, see, it's so easy because I just solved the green side. But maybe I would have solved this last, or I'd have solved the yellow side or something. So yeah. So I'm just solving the white side. Like I just said it, you can either choose a side. Doesn't need to be the same side. So here we go. I solved the white side. And now behind, I got a red match. That's the top side and this is the bottom. And no more matches, except this. So that needs to go behind. And it's facing you. So yeah. And now I'm gonna start, and yeah. So yeah. Now I'm gonna start. So you go right inverted, down clockwise, right, left inverted, down anti-clockwise, left, right inverted, down clockwise, and right. So see here, we got every match. So now we're gonna flip to the bottom side, and you see there is a yellow here. And the white side is facing me. Kind of tired too. So yeah, the white side is facing me, and the yellow over there is facing you. So there should always be a yellow, just like, this. So So the yellow needs to be on the left side, but it's just showing it on the right side. So yeah, now I'm gonna start. So you go right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, twice, and right inverted. So you do the same thing until you solve the yellow side. And when you solve the yellow side, you can skip to the next step. That's the last one. Okay. And you're working a little bit. So see here, I solved that. And there's a red over there. So when you do that, I'll just go the other way and solve. So for the last way, you just go like right, right inverted, face, right inverted again, and wait, yeah, face, and then right inverted again, and back twice. That's how back twice is, and then face, right, and then face inverted. Then you go back twice, right twice, and back twice again. Then you may have solved the cube, like I just did here. And thank you for watching this. Bye. And I almost forgot that. Remember to subscribe, the like button. If you have this Rubik's Cube stand, you can get it with the big Rubik's Cube. I'm just gonna get it real quick. Mommy, have you seen my big Rubik's Cube? And I accidentally left it at one of my friend's house named Anaya. And she has a big sister named Riva, and I have a little sister named Lahita. And she was like, oh, she was playing a lot. Then she just cried because he told who she is. Yeah, my baby sister's so crazy. And this is how it looks. It says Rubik's Cube, Rubik's Cube. I mean, it just says Rubik's, but not cube, duh. So every side says Rubik's. Just can see, oh, there we go. There's 2 Rubik's. So you can get it with the big Rubik's Cube, and this even fits here. So yeah, this is a very, very fun Rubik's Cube that's easy to solve. And remember to hit the subscribe button or the like button if you like it.